friends, so we're going to do some more of the Snapword interactive notebooks. So you need to go get your notebook and go get the pages this and they. So open up to a new page. We're going to do this. This cutting this week is a little bit more tricky than last week, so you have to really pay attention. Remember, if you need to stop the video, go ahead and hit pause, catch up, and then go ahead and hit play when you are ready, okay? All right, let's get started. So at the top, we're going to cut on the dotted lines. Go ahead and cut. Try and show you. Open, shut. That's the way we learn to cut. Fingers on bottom, thumb on top. Do not let the paper drop. All right, there's my top one. I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom. Cut all the way on the outside first, okay? Ready? Open, shut. That's the way we learn to cut. Fingers on bottom, thumb on top. Do not let the paper drop. All right, with this one, you should really only have one piece of trash. If you have one piece of trash, you gotta let me know, because remember, that's the first grade thing, so good job. All right, you have two pieces. We have this one and this one. Let's start with the smaller one up top. They have dotted lines. We're gonna cut. Remember, do not cut past that thick line, okay? So, cutting on the dotted lines. And there's one. Cutting on the dotted lines, two. Last one is three. All right, you're gonna have flaps. You should not have this in separate pieces. If you do, it's okay, we can glue it back together, but you should have flaps, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and glue this down now that it's ready. We're putting glue only on the top, not on the flap. I have my glue only on the top. I'm gonna go ahead and glue it down. All right, so it should look like this. You should have a few flaps that flip up. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and glue down the next one so we don't lose it. Tricky. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna turn it. It's a little bit easier for me to cut. These have dotted lines, okay? They have dotted lines. Only cut on the dotted lines. Don't cut past this thick black line, okay? Dotted lines. Cut, stop. Cut, stop. Okay, you should have more flaps. This one is more like an octopus. You want all of this on top to be still together. If you cut it apart, that's okay. We're gonna glue it down anyways. It can be fixed, okay? But I'm gonna put glue on the top. All right, putting glue on the side. Not putting glue on the flaps. I put glue on the back of this part. I put glue right there. And I'm going to put it down. Okay, you have flaps at the top, and now you have flaps on the bottom. These letters on top for the word this, you are going to trace in. So start at the top, work your way down, across, down, bump up and over, down with the dot, and snake it. All right, so you should have filled those in on the top. Now what we're gonna do is lift up the flap and try to write it on your own. If you want, you can choose a different color, up to you. So I'm gonna lift up this flap. This one should have the word or the letter T, okay? So write your T. Next one, what letter? H. Next one, I. Next one, S. You should have the word this written on top and underneath your flaps. The next one are sentences that we're gonna read, and then we get to draw a picture. So I want you to pause the video, go ahead and try and read this first sentence on your own. Make sure you use your pointer power. So pause the video now, press play when you're ready to read it with me. Okay, if you're ready, let's read it. Ooh, that's our snap word, we should know that word, okay? This is fun. So what we need to do is open this flap, and we're gonna draw a picture of something that is fun. We're drawing a picture to match the writing, okay? So open that flap. This is fun. Think. What can you draw a picture of something that is fun? Think of something that's fun to you. I know what is fun to me. I like swimming for fun. So I'm gonna put some waves. I think I'll put the sun. Let's take a look at it, make sure it matches the sentence. All right, this is fun. Here's my picture of something that I think is fun, swimming. All right, let's read it. Ready? Point to power. I see this frog. All right, open up that flap. Frog, well, what color is a frog? Most frogs are green, some frogs are brown, a little grayish. I'm gonna use green to draw a picture of a frog. Okay, see my frog? He's eating a fly. All right, that matches. I see this frog. Okay, let's read it. This is my mom. That should be easy. We know what to draw. A picture of our mom. So my sentence, this is my mom and my picture. There's a picture of my mom. All right, last thing we need to do is more writing practice. So right here you'll see some bubble letters of this, this, this. We need to trace in these words just like we did up here. So I'm gonna do this, capital T, H-I-S, T-H-I-S. If you wanna do rainbow writing, that is okay. If you need to pause the video to catch up, you can do that too. All right, your completed page will look like this. All right, the next page that you guys have is the word they. So next open page, I went and I cut out my word they, traced all of my letters underneath. Okay, now I have the word they, T-H-E-Y, they, T-H-E-Y, they. I have my sentences, they see the sun. I drew a picture of people seeing a sun. They usually means more than one person, so I should have more than one person in all of these pictures. They can jump. I drew a really fun one of people jumping on a trampoline. They will be friends. All right, I drew two people who are giving each other a hug and waving because they are friends. Last thing I did was fill in they on top. Make sure you take a picture of these and send it to me so that way I can see your different pictures. If you want to read your sentence or describe your pictures to me, use the mic button to do that. We'll see you guys next time.